When you were young, remember your dreams? Remember how it felt? I remember wanting to be an Olympic horse rider, and I nearly got there too. Here are 5 tips to encourage your child's dreams.
5 tips to encourage your child's dreams. Why do we want to encourage our child's dreams? Dreams can encourage positive thinking, increase self-confidence, and most importantly, happiness. As parents, guardians and teachers, we need our kids to have a healthy and happy childhood so they can grow up and be the best version of themselves. There are so many things that parents can do to help their children. One of the best ways is to encourage their dreams and ambitions, no matter how small or big they are. Encouraging your child's dreams is a great way for them to develop the confidence needed for personal success. Here are 5 tips to encourage your child's dreams. Number 1, listen to your child. Listening to your child is a great way to understand what your child is thinking about and feeling. I know some children can talk more than others, but sometimes those are the ones that need the extra encouragement. Listening can also provide an opportunity for adults to explore their own childhood and share their stories with their child. Children are full of imagination. They can see things that adults just can't. Therefore, it's important for parents to listen to their children and let them know that their dreams are important. There are many reasons why it is important for adults to be good listeners to everyone, including to children. The most important is that when you listen to a child, it makes them feel important. If a child is ignored or told to be quiet, it can have a negative impact on their self-esteem. There are many cases where children have dreams and parents don't take it seriously, which leads to the child not pursuing that dream or feeling discouraged about pursuing it. Parents should be supportive of their children and encourage them in any way they can. Giving them this time and allowing them to express themselves can give them self-worth and a positive impact on their self-esteem. Number 2, encourage your child's dreams. It is extremely important to encourage your child's dreams. Give them a chance to be the next president, an astronaut, or even a famous artist. We want our kids to grow up with big dreams and aspirations. We want them to see themselves as the next president or astronaut, and we want them to have the opportunity to do something they love, like painting or playing sport. Encouraging kids' dreams are not just about creating the right environment for them, but also about providing the right kind of support. It's essential that they feel comfortable talking with their parents and feel free to share their feelings with them. There are many ways parents can help kids reach their goals, from providing emotional support, setting up a plan, or giving advice on how to achieve it. But what's most important is that they never discourage or stop believing in them. It is important to encourage kids to explore their dreams and not let them be discouraged by the difficulties of achieving that dream. When a child says that they want to be an astronaut, tell them about the challenges and the difficulties that they will have to overcome to achieve that goal, but also make sure they understand that it is possible and encourage them when they are struggling. Encourage kids by giving them positive feedback on their work, and make sure you are praising what they did well instead of criticizing what they didn't do well. Number 3, share their interests and passions with them. We need to share our children's interests with them, even if we have no interest. This is important for the child's development. It also helps to maintain a good relationship with the child. Sharing kids' interests is important for parents because it helps them to know their kids better and understand things that they are passionate about. It also helps in improving the bond between parent and child. Many parents will face with the dilemma of balancing work and family life. I know I do. To make that balance, it is important for parents to share their kids' interests with them. It is a way for children to learn more about the world around them and have someone who can take an interest in what they are doing to help them feel worthy. We are living in a strange world where some of us may worry about the judgment of others. They don't want to share photos of their children on social media for fear that people will think they are bragging. We need to teach our children about the importance of sharing their interests with the world and how it can help them in the future. We need to show them that it is nothing wrong with being proud of what they have accomplished and that it is okay to share what they love with others. Number 4, help build your child's skills and confidence. Parents have a big influence on their kids. They are the ones who teach them how to be good people, how to behave, and how to be successful. Parents help kids build their skills and confidence by encouraging them to follow their passions and helping them develop strong self-esteem. To help children build their skills and confidence, parents need to be involved with their kids' education. Children's self-confidence is linked to the support they receive from their parents, so it is important for parents to get involved with their kids' education. Parents can help their children by talking about what they've learnt at school, praising them when they do well on a test or project, and help them practice math problems at home. Children are always looking for ways to build their skills and confidence. One way to help them to do this is by giving them opportunities to explore different careers. We can help children explore a career by providing them with information about what it entails and what skills they will need. Number 5, find ways to help your child explore their dreams. Parents are the first and most influential teachers for their children. It's important for parents to be aware of how they can help their kids reach their goals and dreams. There are many ways to help kids reach their dreams, but the most important thing is to make sure that they are aware of their talents and skills and that they work on developing them. Even if they are young, you could still find ways to help them learn about what they need to do to reach their dream. It is also important to give them opportunities for growth. When they are older, it can be done through internships, apprenticeships, or even volunteering. In order to get kids to reach and explore their dreams, they need to first understand what their dreams are. To help them figure out their dreams, we need to tell them that they can do whatever they want to do. They can be whatever they want to be. Ask them questions like, what do you want to do with your life? What do you want your life to be like? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? What is one thing you would like for your life? A personal goal can come out of one or more of these questions. It can bring up things that children never thought about before and make them truly feel like they have a chance to reach their goals. Conclusion. We should encourage children to pursue their dreams because it's important for them to explore and be creative. It is also important for them to know that they can achieve anything they want in life. Encouraging children's dreams will help them grow up with a positive outlook on the world and on themselves. Children are pure and innocent. We are often the first teachers in their lives. We have this unique opportunity to help encourage and shape them to be happy, self-confident, resilient adults and watch them thrive.
Well, I hope you found those tips helpful. Check out our website. We've got a whole lot more blogs on hints and tips on essential oils and helping your kids. We're going to do a video every week, so stay tuned. Until next time.